Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says if a1, a2, a3 are in harmonic progression. So they are in harmonic progression. Be very careful. And a1 is 5. a1 is 5. a20 is 25. a1, a20 are also the part of harmonic progression. Then the least positive integer n. So you have to find out the least positive integer n for which an is smaller than 0. So an is negative. Okay. So look at this, how we will handle this situation. So first we will try to convert this thing into AP. So if a is 5, this means in AP 1 by a1 will be 5 and this will be a1, correct? Now 1 by a20 will become, wait, this is 1 by 5, this is 1 by 25, and this is a20. This capital A represents AP. Okay, means the yellow thing is representing AP. Now if they are in AP, so can I write down the formula for a20 so that we can find out the common difference? So a20 equals a plus 19d. Okay, so a20 is 1 by 25, a1 is 1 by 5 plus 19d. Comfortable? Now I will send this thing this side. So 19d will become 1 by 25 minus 5 by 25 equals minus 4 by 25. Correct? So can I say that the common difference will become minus 4 by 19 times 25? So this is our common difference. Correct? So we got our common difference of AP D, है ना? Now they are interested in finding an to be smaller than 0. Now be very careful. Look at this. So an means what? 1 by an, then only it will become AP, no? 1 by an equals, it is AP. So 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, 1 by an is what? An equals 1 by a is what? a1 plus n minus 1 times d. I want this thing to be smaller than 0. So who is a1? a1 is 1 by 5 plus n minus 1. Who is d? Okay, so d is minus 4 by 19 times 25 smaller than 0. Is that okay? Now you have to solve this inequality to get the result done. Okay, so look at this, how we will manipulate things. So we got 1 by 5 plus 1 minus n times 4. I will send this thing that side. Okay, by 19 25 smaller than minus of 1 by 5. Now I'll multiply both side by 5, so it will become 5. Now I'll send this thing that side. So 4 minus 4n less than 95. Is that okay? Now 4n that side, 95 this side. So it is 99 greater than 4n. So n should be greater than 99 by 4. So n should be greater than 24 point something. correct? Now they are talking about least positive integer n. So what is the least positive integer? N. It is greater than 24 point something, it is integer, therefore it is 25. Therefore the required number is 25. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.